Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get efficient time management tips using ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So let's get started. You know that managing your time effectively is made easier with ChatGPT. Get personalized tips, create task lists, and set smart goals to boost productivity with ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna show you some structure with some points along with example prompt. Let's go. Number 1. Prioritize task with task list. ChatGPT can help you create task list, prioritize them by urgency or importance, and keep you on track throughout the day. Example prompt. Create a task list for a busy workday, prioritizing tasks by deadline and importance. Let's check the answer. ChatGPT will provide you with the best answer. Number 2. Set smart goals and deadlines. ChatGPT can assist you in setting realistic goals, breaking them down into smaller tasks, and setting deadlines to ensure progress. Example prompt. Help me break down a project into smaller, manageable tasks with deadline. Let's see the answer. Here is the perfect answer. And the last one, number 3. Track progress and stay motivated. Use ChatGPT to track progress on your goals, review what you have accomplished, and stay motivated with reminders and affirmation. Example prompt. Create a progress tracker for 30 days fitness goal, including weekly check-ins. Let's search the answer. You'll find the best result from ChatGPT. So, with ChatGPT, mastering time management becomes simple and efficient. Stay on track, hit deadlines, and achieve your goals with ease. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.